Where do you want to go today? Get there with the Journey Zoomer. This innovative battery-powered mobility chair is engineered to navigate your home and your neighborhood in style. Zoomer is easy and fun to drive. You have full 360-degree control at your fingertips. One-handed joystick steering moves you forwards, backwards, and side to side. You'll be zooming around in minutes. Your speed is managed by both the speed range you select and how far you push the joystick. Indoors, Zoomer can navigate through tight spaces, letting you roll right into any room. And it's designed to fit under most tables and desks. Ready to go outside? Zoomer folds flat in seconds. And at under 50 pounds, it's light enough to pop into your trunk or back seat. And it's just as easy to unfold and get going. And when you're ready to get moving, Zoomer's ready too. It can handle inclines up to 10 degrees. You can zoom around on grass, dirt, and small gravel. And the Journey Zoomer has a tight turning radius. It can literally turn on a dime. With breathable honeycomb mesh seating, it's a comfy ride too. The Journey Zoomer can go up to 8 miles on a single charge. Now that's a joyride. Get on your Journey Zoomer and go have a little fun, or even a lot. Because enjoying life never gets old.